Afternoon to all of you present on dais and off dais and virtually who have joined with us. On the occasion of Destination Tripura Business Conclave 2026, we have with us who has already have given his address virtually, Honorable Union Minister for Donors, Sri Jyotiraditya Scindia ji, Honorable Ministers in the Government of Tripura, Sri Ratanlal Nath ji, Sri Pranajit Singharai, Srimati Shantana Chakma, Sri Tinku Rai, Sri Sudang is absent, Sri Vanimesh Dev Burma, Sri Shuklacharan Noatia, then Sri Kishore Burman, and our Honorable Mayor, Agartala Municipal Corporation, Sri Deepak Majumdar. And of dais, we have with us Mr. Ajamat Yeskar, Ambassador, Embassy of Kazakhstan to India, Mr. Taranath Adhinari, Honorable Minister and Economic Nepal, Chairman of Northeast Chapter of Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, that is FICCI, Sri Ranjit Bhattakur on stage, Secretary Industries and Commerce, Sri Kiran Gitte, distinguished guests of the dais, His Excellency Mr. Juan Rolando Angulo Monsalve, Ambassador of the Republic of Chile to India, His Excellency Mr. M. Riaz Hamidullah, High Commissioner of People's Republic of Bangladesh to India, His Excellency Mr. Carlito Nunes, Ambassador of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste to India, Her Excellency Mrs. Bithia Jeobong, Ambassador of the Lao People's Democratic Republic to India, Mr. Cedric Charles Crowley, Deputy High Commissioner, High Commission of Republic of South Africa, Mr. Abdul Aziz Abdul Khalilov, Trade and Economic Counselor, Embassy of Republic of Uzbekistan, Ms. Melissa Anne Telen, Second Secretary and Consul, Embassy of the Republic of Philippines, and Honorable MLAs, Chairpersons of various corporations under Industries Department, all the business leaders and investors, officers of the state and central governments, my dear media friends, my greetings to all of you. I cordially invite and welcome the business leaders, investors, promoters, and entrepreneurs to the Destination Tripura Business Conclave 2026. Because of the blessings of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and his actist policy vision, Tripura is one of the fastest growing state in the country. We have doubled the GSDP in just 6 years. The central government as well as the state government have made huge investment in public infrastructure like national highways, railways, airports, reliable internet and mobile connectivity, waterways and wide banking network. We have abundant stock of natural gas, rubber plantation, GI tagged queen pineapples, premium agarwood, then varied bamboo species and a rich horticulture base. Tripura is the third fully literate state with a large pool of technical and skilled manpower. Now the time is ripe for private investment to take benefit of robust infrastructure and natural resources. That is why we have organized this investment summit on a large scale with the participation by more than 45 departments and organizations of the state and central governments. I am thankful to the donor minister, Sri Scindia ji, for gracing this business conclave. The business conclave has brought together about 1,200 business leaders, promoters, industrialists, and entrepreneurs to build Ek Tripura, Shreshto Tripura. Abundance of natural resources, all-weather connectivity, and business-friendly policies makes Tripura an attractive investment destination. We have carried out extensive policy reforms in land, urban planning, industries, health, education, tourism, and several other sectors. Inspired by the appeal of Honorable Prime Minister to implement Reform Express, Tripura has secured first rank among all the states and union territories in deregulation and compliance reduction in Phase 1 and Phase 2. We have simplified the land use change procedures, streamlined industrial and business permissions, built single window portals, SOGAT, and introduced risk-based inspection. Digital land bank, Bhu-Naksha has been developed under GIS environment for online inspection by the interested investors. Government land is available on lease for social, educational, and commercial projects at very moderate rates. We are one of the few states that issue all industrial and business-related approvals through a single agency. One business, one license is our principle. Ease of doing business is our promise, and ease of living is our ultimate goal. During the last year, investment proposals of more than rupees 30,000 crore were received, out of which projects of more than rupees 8,000 crore have been grounded. We have 1,58,000 hectares of natural rubber plantation, the second largest in the country. A new rubber park has been set up at Shantir Bazar with provision for research and development center, where quality rubber manufacturing, centrifuge, latest products, foam, surgical, industrial, and household gloves can be set up. Rubber wood-based industries, including plywood and veneer manufacturing and biochar plants using rubber wood waste are the new investment opportunities. Similarly, we are expanding industrial bamboo cultivation to 45,000 hectares and setting up integrated bamboo value chain park in Unakoti. Industrial processing for engineered bamboo products, bamboo boards, biomass, and briquettes, biochar, pulp and paper, and bamboo composites have very high potential for investment. With 2.27 crore agar trees, Tripura is India's leading and most credible agar ecosystem. The proposed Agar International Trade and Research Center will help in trade facilitation, testing, grading, certification, research, and value addition. The integrated agar root cluster at Kadamtala is planned to support the entire value chain from plantation, processing, market linkage, and export readiness. An unified online single window export portal with export licensing and convention for international trade in endangered species related processes being streamlined to reduce processing timelines. Investment opportunities are available in agar inoculum, agar oil distillation units, ator and perfume manufacturing, hydrosol and wellness products. In agriculture and horticulture, potential investment areas are establishment of cold chain infrastructure, tissue culture facilities, processing of pineapples and jackfruit, then fiber extraction, dehydrated fruit, rice husk, and bran oil units. With higher per capita consumption of fish, Tripura offers excellent investment opportunities in the fisheries sector. There is ample scope for establishing fish feed manufacturing plants, cluster-based fish farming, fermented and dried fish processing, fish markets, and transshipment, yards, and aquatourism. Similarly, in the livestock sector, there is demand for modern meat processing, establishing large-scale commercial dairy farms with milk processing, commercial layer farms, hatcheries, poultry feed manufacturing, and modern veterinary diagnostics and animal health care services. We invite tea producers and exporters in building a vibrant tea ecosystems. Exciting investment opportunities await in organic plantation, blending and packaging units, value-added green tea, white tea, rose tea, herbal tea, catchin extraction plants, tea tourism, and tea museum. Tripura is blessed with abundant natural gas with 30 exploration and production blocks operated by ONGC, Oil India Limited, Jubilant and Vedanta groups. Tripura offers investors reliable and cost-effective energy for long-term industrial expansion. The upcoming 253-kilometer northeast gas grid will connect Tripura, resulting the national gas network, opening new avenues for downstream gas-based enterprises. Tripura is an ideal destination for gas-based manufacturing, petrochemicals, fertilizers, ceramics, food processing, and other energy-intensive industries. We are building an energy ecosystem that is sustainable, technology-driven, and investment-friendly. We envisage large-scale investments in the power infrastructure and renewable energy projects. We are planning to achieve 815 megawatt renewable energy capacity by 2030. It is driven by utility-scale solar parks, floating solar projects, rooftop solar installations, pumped hydro energy storage, and solarization of government infrastructure and agriculture pumps. Tripura possesses significant biomass resources in bamboo and agriculture residues, making it well suited for compressed biogas and bioethanol projects. Our abundant water resources create opportunities in small hydro and pump storage projects. Strategic location of Tripura with 856-kilometer border with Bangladesh and geographical location makes it as the gateway to the Southeast Asia. Agartala-Aghora International Rail Link, development of Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport as international airport, Moitri Setu connecting Sabrum to Chittagong Port, and Sunamura Daudkandi Island water transport route to Kolkata and Haldia ports through Bangladesh are real opportunities for seamless multimodal transport and logistic ecosystem. Tripura offers immense opportunities in logistic parks, warehousing, cold chain infrastructure, multimodal cargo hubs, electric mobility, commercial pilot training, and aircraft maintenance engineering, heliports, and air ambulance services, and seaplane operations at Dumbul Lake. With an investor-friendly tourism policy, support for homestays, guidelines, and several avenues for ecotourism, heritage tourism, religious and spiritual tourism, adventure tourism and wellness tourism, archaeological tourism, Tripura has emerged prominent tourism destination. We have supported hotel projects on public-private partnership basis, including Taj Pushpavanto Palace Hotel. Investable projects are star category hotels, resorts in tea gardens, houseboats in Chobimura and Dumbul Lake, destination wedding near Neen Mahal, Panchakarma and Yoga meditation centers, ropeways and cable cars, skywalks to name a few. Matabari tourism circuit is being benchmarked with the best national and international best practices for enhanced global tourist experience. Buddhist circuit linking important location in the northeast is another area for tourism related investments. To promote the establishment of higher educational institutions, We have rationalized regulatory framework by removing requirements for land endowment fund and built up areas with focus on knowledge, innovation and academic excellence. We invite you to establish world-class universities, campuses of foreign universities, management schools and vocational training institutes. Due to improved health infrastructures and services, our out-of-the-state patient referrals are reduced by 80%. MBBS seats in the state have increased from 225 to 550, and postgraduate seats have increased from 85 to 196 within just 4 years. Tripura University of Health Sciences has been going to be established for proper management of increasing number of. The government of Tripura is committed to transforming the state into leading hub for healthcare, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology and medical innovations. With its long international border with Bangladesh and proximity of Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar, Tripura provides access to a vast regional population and significant opportunities for cross-border healthcare services, pharmaceutical manufacturing and medical trade. There is a need to establish state-of-the-art multi-speciality hospitals, medical colleges, nursing colleges, allied and healthcare professional institutions. With abundant water, reliable power supply and business-friendly policies, Tripura is promoting the manufacturing of modern pharmaceuticals, biologics, vaccines, diagnostic reagents and active pharmaceutical ingredients is being promoted in Tripura. Tripura is witnessing an urban transformation with substantial infrastructure upgrade through Smart City Mission, Asian Development Bank funding and Amrut schemes. Agartala city as well as 20 other towns have GIS-enabled master plans for planned urban development to support sustainable urban expansion. The Tripura Affordable Housing Policy, Tripura Land Pooling Policy 2025 and a transit-oriented developmental approach with transferable development rights has been adopted. We are developing 3 satellite towns at Agartala, Bhavnagar and Udaipur. We have also conceptualized several urban renewal projects for resilient, vibrant and future-ready cities across Tripura. Under Digital Tripura missions, we have leveraged technology for transparency and citizen engagement. Our administrative processes from state cabinet up to Gram Panchayat are totally digital and paperless. Agartala has India's 3rd international internet gateway along with Mumbai and Chennai. A robust educational base, power surplus, pollution-free climate and lower operational costs are rapidly transforming Tripura into a premier IT destination. Major infrastructure projects such as Tripura IT and Data Ecosystem Zone, the Innovation and Incubation Park and the state-of-the-art IT Park are being developed to enable business to scale with confidence. We have prioritized investment focusing on cyber security operations, artificial intelligence, animation, gaming studios, electronic assembly units, printed circuit board manufacturing, global capability centers for chip design and semiconductor engineering for investments. State Innovation Mission and Tripura Nurturing Entrepreneurship and Startups have been established to provide robust startup ecosystem. Under Tripura Startup Policy 2024, more than 200 startups are recognized which are provided with best-in-class incubation and venture capital support. Under Data Center Policy, major companies like Bharti Airtel are establishing data centers in Tripura. Industrial training institutes are being upgraded with Industry 4.0 courses in collaboration with Tata Technologies. Keeping in view global skill demands, we are establishing World Skill Center and School of Languages in collaboration with Ramakrishna Mission. We are strengthening our bond with the diaspora spread across world through Probasi Tripura Vashi Divas platform. They are eager to invest in Tripura and contribute to the development. The law and order situation in Tripura is very much congenial for investors and for investment. People can travel anywhere in the state without any security escorts. During 2025, Tripura has recorded the lowest crime figures in the past 2 decades. In the overall crime rate per lakh population, Tripura stands at second lowest among 28 states in the country. I am happy to note that during the Destination Tripura Business Conclave 2026, more than about 1,200 delegates are participating, and more than 250 MOUs are being inked with the investment intent of more than rupees 1 lakh crores. With the proactive support of Team Tripura, we are highly confident that most of the MOUs will be converted into projects on the ground in near future. We will continue to have dialogue with each one of you in the selection of project sites according to approvals in a time-bound manner and commencement of operation. I invite each one of you to partner with us in shaping the next growth story of Tripura. I firmly believe that Destination Tripura Business Conclave 2026 will be a milestone in our journey towards Vikashit Tripura and Vikashit Bharat. I wish this Destination Tripura Business Conclave 2026. Good afternoon to all of you.
Group of institution Bangalore tabuk 10-12 pass tengai noni bagri kaham sep tu bujaka. Porinani shepman sinai free admission ni bisintui. Tebu shepman nai government scholarship by college fee. Hostel fee simi 3,500 rikheno ungnai. JNM Nursing, BSc Nursing, Paramedical, Pharmacy, BBA, BCA. Porinani shepman sinai free admission ni bisintui. Free admission ni bisingtui norogni imang no mukthang slamna ni bagai kurindi e deporma bai bini kok dukungkha 7005539389 9233706879 dakti kurindi limited seat.
इस रथ यात्रा के पावन अवसर पर स्वर्ण कमल ज्वेलर्स लेकर आया है स्वर्ण वर्षा 1 जुलाई से 25 जुलाई तक। अपना पुराना गोल्ड उसकी प्योरिटी के हिसाब से कंप्लीट वैल्यू पर एक्सचेंज कीजिए। पाइए गोल्ड ज्वेलरी के मेकिंग चार्ज पर 30% ऑफ और डायमंड ज्वेलरी के मेकिंग चार्ज पर 100% ऑफ। हर परचेज पर अशोर्ड गिफ्ट्स भी और सिर्फ बिल अमाउंट का 25% पे करके अपना गोल्ड रेट आज ही बुक कीजिए। तो इस रथ यात्रा खुशियों के साथ बचतों की भी हो। स्वर्ण वर्षा स्वर्ण कमल ज्वेलर्स, विश्वास, गुणवत्ता और बेहतरीन डिजाइन का नाम। टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस अप्लाई।